You broke? Over 40? Then try this. Guys, I have a series here on YouTube where I show you what I'm using to create a passive income. It's called My Lead Gen Secret. It's a simple emailing platform where you take affiliate offers, place them in an email, and then send them to leads that you receive every single day. And it only costs you $1 a day. Today is video, what am I at? 44. All right. So for those of you who have been following along, guys, I'm going to just jump into this. It has been a kind of a long day, kind of a long night, but I want to stay focused on continue putting these videos out, and also got a little bit exciting news. So I'm going to switch over to my ClickBank account. For those of you who are new, start this video. You're right smack dab in the middle of this series that I'm doing. So I would suggest going to day 1 and start there so you can learn how to get started and find out everything that you need. I did do, there was a video that I put out called Intermission. So I did take a little time out to it, kind of a quick, maybe a condensed version of how to get started and how to get how to get going. So if you go to my YouTube video or YouTube channel, sorry, told you it's been late, and that'll show you how to get things going. Anyway, stay focused here. Today I did get a sale, and I'm guessing this probably came from the postscripts that we use. And this is the benefit of that postscript, because I can tell by the commission that I received, it is the paid social. Yeah, I think that's what I call it. The paid social, get paid to using social media. So that's what that's for. It has been a few days, 8 to be exact. I think, no, a little more than that. The 30th was the last one. So we're looking at what is that, like 10 days, 9-10 days. So it has been a little while, but this is why you want to stay focused, keep doing this, because they will trickle in. The more leads that we get, the more this thing will grow, and that's what we're after, right? Just keep them trickling in. Just hit this thing each and every day, and try not to think anything about it. Don't get frustrated. Just be persistent, be consistent, and everything will start to fall into place. All right, now that we got that out of the way, we want our email. So back into ClickBank, if we want to stick with, let me go back to ClickBank. Sorry, guys. Go to the marketplace, e-business, e-marketing. Let's go ahead and we'll just put the gravity on high-low. That way we got it in the order that we want. This is the get paid to use Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube. This is, because this is the conversion. This is what I was getting. It says 1115 is the average conversion. I got like 1109. So that's lets me know that that's the commission that I received today. And this one does really well. Part of me just wants to just constantly just do that one, but I think it's wise to change it up the way we do it, and that's what we'll stick to. Try some of these other ones. Maybe toss in a higher ticket offer every once in a while, and we will. So this is what we're working on now, is the Right App Reviews. That's the one we're working on. So if you click on the affiliate page and then click on email swipes, and it'll bring this up. I've already got mine copied. I did email 2, so I already have that in there. So here it is. And now once you copy that, put it in our Google Docs, we're going to do some editing. And I'm going to start with changing the country out from the USA. And we want to change out the greeting, so we can just, this one has one. The last email we did not have a greeting. This one has one. And we can just scroll up to our previous email, and we could just snag it from there. It's like the quickest, easiest way to do it. Or you can grab it from the MLGS platform. So let me head down here. All right, so there's the greeting. Change out the signature. Guys, let me know what your results have been. I'm so curious. I really want to know how things are going. How far are you in? And are you getting those conversions? Let me know in the comments. All right, now we want to got our hop link. We want to change out the your ClickBank ID to your actual ClickBank ID. So there's mine, and now we can copy that. And let's get this placed into, go to this link. I'm just going to highlight all of that, insert link, paste that bad boy in there, hit apply, and that's good. Let's see if there's anywhere else we might be able to put this, or if we'll just leave it there. Yeah, I'll probably just keep that one. All right, now we want to do the postscript. All right, and this is where we will put the paid social offers in the postscript. Oop. Do you like posting on social media? Then why not get paid for it? Get started here. All right, you like posting on social media, then when I get paid for it, get started here. All right, that looks good. I'm going to go back to the marketplace. That way I get the offer. Go, here we are, hit promote. Get that hop link, copy, head back over here. I'm going to insert it right there. All right, this one's good to go. Let's copy the subject line. This email comes with a pre-header as well that you can also use that for a subject line if you want. $35 an hour. Join our team of reviewers. That's a tough one. I don't know which one I want to use. $35 an hour full time. Does that sound enticing? Because the subject line is that's going to be the hook, basically. You know, when you open up your email or when you go to your email and you see one of these subject lines, you want it to pique your interest to open it. Join our team of reviewers. I don't know, for whatever reason, I think putting a dollar amount just seems a little more enticing than joining a team, in my opinion. Maybe you don't think so, and that's fine. Use the other one, try it out. All right, now I gotta go over here, get myself logged in. Go on the mailing system, select our leads, paste that in the subject line, head back over, grab the rest of the email. All right, I'm going to change the size to 14 on this one. Make sure we hit perfect timing. Go to preview. Make sure our links work. Here's the write-up reviews. That looks good. And let's go to this one. All right. These are good to go. Now we can close this out and then we can send an email. And if you can also have the option of placing images with links on them too. But for this set, I've been putting images in and attaching links to those images on some of my previous emails. This round of offers for the next 5 days, I'm not going to do anything and see if it's just too much. While it sounds like a great idea to place those images in there, maybe it's a little overwhelming. Maybe it's just keep it. Sometimes keep it simple, stupid, right? And we'll try that route. Always play with this. It just takes 10 minutes a day, and you're always wanting to change things, tweak things, learn what works, what doesn't. And you can always check if you want to know what's working and what doesn't. You can always check your stats. So obviously, I just sent out an email, so obviously it's going to be at zero. Nothing's happening yet, but just keep an eye on it. So yesterday's didn't seem to do very well. The open rate percentage was less than 5%. I typically like to see 10 or above. That seems reasonable for me. Um, and if we can get so maybe a little bit higher because I think the clicks the cent percentage should be 2 or higher. If I'm not mistaken. I think to be considered good, but maybe not. I'm not a math person on this. So, but that's it. That's so we got for today. Look, 13 minutes. I'm trying to keep these videos quick and simple. Thank you for being here. Thank you for if you're following along each and every day. I thank you for following along. If you've subscribed, thanks for that. If you haven't subscribed already and you would like to continue watching these, please by all means subscribe to my channel and check out. I've got another series on YouTube that if you want to, if affiliate marketing is something you want to get into, my series on Endless Income Academy would be a great place to check that out and learn to do more. This is a very simple platform right here. EIA is a whole nother beast, and it's for the serious. So if you'd like to take it up a few notches, then check out that series. Start with video 9. Start with video 9. Learn the commissions. Let the money talk. Okay, let the money talk to you. Look at and you'll see the potential, and then you can make a conscious decision on what you want to do. All right, guys, I appreciate it. Give me a like if you find any value out of this. And until next time, I will see you in the next video.